Sorry, Mom, for the pause, but I don't care. Also, you.
Further down the main line, Horwich was pulling his evening passenger train out of London. Everything was as it always was when Horwich entered the long straight. Suddenly, Horwich had his eyes closed tightly, but he didn't feel an impact. The driver and fireman raced round to the front of their engine. "Where's it gone?" cried the driver. "It was there, right in front of us." The guard walked up to the crew. "Have we hit something?" "There was an engine, sir," whimpered Horwich. "It were right in front of us. I'm sure we hit it, but I didn't feel anything." "I heard the crash, but I didn't feel a jolt," said the fireman. "Me too," added the guard. "It doesn't add up. There's no engine at all. I tell you I saw an engine. I believe you. But engines don't just vanish into thin air." "They do if they're the ghost like Engine 17, whispered Horwich gravely to himself.